All the best videos are in the car, right? And unboxing. It's fabric time. Oh my goodness. This is more than I thought it would be. Okay, so I love how they're grouped in sets. Oh, we've got 4 like color sets, 4 groupings, and a panel. First, the light array. It's so good to see these in person because the details are just wow. So this collection is called Love and Cheer. You can see it down there. Not so well because there's a sticker on there, but we'll get our chance to see it. Got some berries. This one, very easy to use. They're basically fancy polka dots, Christmassy dots, right? Oh, the birds. Oh, the birds. Adorable. So I let Moda handle scale for me, meaning I don't know how big things are going to be. So this is exciting for me to see what the size of the stuff is. Very good. Okay, making sure that you can see the sharpness. Here we go. My face is not so important. The fabrics are. These are like Christmassy carnations and poinsettias. A much fuller version of the greenery. Yes. Let's straighten that up. Yes. I love me my stylized birds there. I said it. Because they're so fun to paint and they go so well in designs. Because they're not, you know, hyper detailed cardinals in flight. Okay, my goodness, we've got much to do here. Let's move on. Yes, so much yes. Okay, pink and red. Okay, keeping it simple, and then going to, yes, the birds are on pink as well. Gingham, a wine colored background on that one. Ooh, even winier. So here's like a colorway that I would not have thought up myself, but I dig it. And I think for like Christmassy designs, you're gonna want something like this, which is why they're smart to include it. They think of like the projects much more than I do. A watercolory buffalo plaid. I can't remember exactly when I designed that one, but it feels like a really long time ago and it didn't take, you know, like I'd pitch it. I'm gonna estimate 4 years of showing it and not seeing it in real life. So that feels really good. Trying to keep things folded. Gotta hurry on down, because we got green and black, but green is smaller, it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and finally black, and black is a more prolific set. You can see this one in full, we can see this one in full, and then we can see this one. Whoa, that one's so yummy. That one's so yummy. This one has a nice little subtle background. I really like that. My simple blender, my birdies, and for sake of scale, I'll show it from a distance. Yes, this one I did specifically for this collection. Birds, poinsettias, some check, some lush decorative foliage, because hello, Christmassy, and the panel, which I'll just show in full when the video is done here, but I just want you to get a sense for the quality of the color in real life. Look at this. This is a bow, and it's as big as my face. And I want to show you an area with a lot of detail and color. Look at that pomegranate. Stunning. the way that these are printed. It's just fascinating to me. I'll end on the poinsettia. So good. Love and cheer.